How I discovered Boutir was actually very ironic, as I discovered it while I was browsing the internet, and I stumbled upon another merchant story like this, and I decided to give it a try. Hi, my name is Denise. I'm the owner and founder of Floriste. Our shop actually offers fresh flowers arrangement in the form of bouquets, baskets, and many others. Other than that, we also offer preserved roses and dried flowers, as it is very in trend now. On top of that, we also sell potted plants, phalaenopsis orchids, as well as landscaping services. For me personally, what I hope to achieve in bringing my store online is to reach a wider customer audience, both locally and internationally. Previously, I've used two platforms before. I do not like using that tool because it doesn't have a link to a local payment gateway, as well as the other one was because the interface was not user-friendly. I would most definitely recommend Boutir to my friends and family. In fact, I did, and they were very keen to try. The reason why I would recommend is because it has helped me to achieve a wider customer coverage, as well as have my sales increased by 50%. And other than that, it's also to help me to bring foot traffic to my physical store. My experience with Wootee was a love at first sight, as the platform was very easy to navigate and the outlook was very minimalist, just what I like. And it's very easy for me and my staff to upload all the photos online. And other than that, we also like the platform for it has multiple links to payment gateways such as IP88, PayPal, Stripe, as well as recently GrabPay. And other than that, we are also very happy using this platform, for it has a social media integration with Facebook and Instagram. So whenever we upload photos on Instagram, we can immediately the product immediately linked to the website. So we have the product immediately on the website to sell. Other than having a reliable platform, the merchant also play a role in taking nice photos, as well as updating their social media with beautiful photos on a daily basis to ensure that the customer has the latest product offerings from us. If you'd like to know more about Boutir, get in touch with this number and the Malaysian team will assist you.